If you've lost access to your statref mobile app, it's likely that your mobile access has expired and needs to be renewed online. Mobile accounts only remain active for 4 months at a time, so the following process should be completed each time your account expires. To begin, we need to get to the statref database using the web browser on your preferred device. Even if you're using a phone, you must reactivate your account from the browser-based statref, not the mobile app. The easiest way to get to the statref database is by going to GCC's website. From the home page, we can connect to the library by selecting it from the drop-down menu labeled Academics. On the library's webpage, we can reach databases A to Z from the drop-down menu labeled Find Sources, or by scrolling down to quick links here. Now that we can see the list of the library's databases, we can scroll down and in the right-hand column, look for the database statref Nursing Resources. If you're on a campus computer, you will automatically connect to the database like I just did. If you're on a mobile device or any non-campus computer, you will require a login to verify that you're from GCC. This login will simply be your MyGCC username and password. At this point, we have access statref, and we can log into our personal statref account to renew mobile app access. To log in, click the Profile button in the top left of the screen. If you signed up for statref while GCC students were still given @my.genesee.edu email addresses, your username may still use your @my.genesee.edu address. Otherwise, your username will just be your @genesee.edu email. After logging in, the Profile button that we just used becomes Welcome Your Name. Hovering over this link creates a drop-down menu, and we're looking for the button Anywhere Login Account. Clicking this link brings us to a page with the status of our mobile account and a large button labeled either Activate or Renew. Clicking Renew results in a green check mark, active, and an expiration date 4 months from the current day. You should now be able to log back into your statref mobile app. If you had any trouble with this process or any other questions, please stop in and see us, or reach out to the library by phone, email, or through the Ask a Librarian link on the library website.